Okay, so you guys asked for this and I brought them. On my desk I've got some super budget earphones with a microphone with an inline remote control for a price tag of less than 700 rupees. So a couple of days ago I posted a video on earphones under 1000 rupees, but most of you guys were commenting saying, hey Vimal, can you review some earphones under 600 or 700 rupees with a microphone? And I just had to do that for you guys. So in this video we'll be reviewing Stuffcool's brand new budget earphones called the BAC. They're in-ear wired earphones with a mic and also have an inline remote control. And not only this, I also have a special accessory from Stuffcool which I'll show you at a later part in the video. First, let's check out the earphones. So the Stuffcool's BAC earphones come in this sort of box packing, and the special thing is, even though they are budget earphones, the body of these earphones is entirely made of metal and also have volume control adjustment. That's awesome, right? So over here it says they produce natural and a clear sound. Well, we'll have to see about that. So that's it guys, there's nothing much written over here. Let's see what do we have at the back side. These earphones come in 3 different colors. We've got the standard black color variant. And coming to its specs, it's got a 3.5mm jack, has 9mm drivers, the impedance is 16 ohms and comes with a 1.2 meter nylon braided cable. So that was our complete look at the box packing. It's a simple looking box. Alright, let's just unbox and check out the product. By the way, I want to thank Stuffcool for sending me this product for review. Looks like we've got some packets in the box. Let me take them out. Okay, we've got these 2 packets. One of them has the earphones while the other one has some accessories. So here they are, Stuffcool's brand new BAC in-ear wired earphones. We've got the black color model. And along with them, they also provide you some extra ear tips. Now let me finally show you the earphones. So this is how the Stuffcool's new BAC earphones look like. They've got a full metal casing with the Stuffcool branding and feel pretty lightweight in the hand. Before I give you all a closer look at the product and tell you about all of its features, let me also show you that special accessory which I was talking about. This is Stuffcool's USB Type-C to 3.5mm digital audio adapter. It's a super useful accessory. So nowadays we're getting a lot of smartphones without a 3.5mm headphone jack, and it can be quite annoying, especially if you have some premium quality earphones and want to use them with your phone. In such cases, you can use this audio adapter and get the job done. This one's made by Stuffcool and it's a high quality USB Type-C to 3.5mm audio adapter and comes with this sort of box packing. Talking about the compatibility, it's compatible with a lot of phones like Google's Pixel 3, Pixel 2, a lot of Xiaomi phones and much more. So let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut the seal over here. So here it is, it comes nicely packed like this on a tray and there's nothing else in the box. So this is how it looks like. It comes only in black color and has a length of 12 cm. It's pretty short so you can easily carry it along with your earphones. The build quality looks really good. Both the ends are made of aluminum alloy with a TPE cable in between. It's a high quality adapter and the company says that by using this you won't face any sort of signal losses or even delays. You'll hear the same exact sound without missing anything, just like how you'd get from a directly plugged in earphones. So if you've got a Type-C phone without a headphone socket, then you can definitely try out this audio adapter from Stuffcool. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. Alright, coming back to the earphones, the BAC earphones have an in-ear design with a bullet-shaped body. The outer casing is entirely made of metal and give a premium look to the product. The back of the earphones have a CD-like texture with the Stuffcool branding on both of them, and they're also pretty lightweight. The quality of the ear tips is also nice, they feel soft and durable. Talking about the cable quality, it's got a good quality nylon braided cable which feels strong, durable and is also tangle resistant. The cable length is 1.2 meters and runs down to this inline remote control. The inline remote has a multi-function button on it which works for both music as well as calls. And beside that, instead of buttons, they've gone with a slider to adjust the volume control. Now that is unique. And in between both of them we've got a microphone. And this is its 3.5mm gold-plated jack. So that was our look at the design and the build quality. Now let's put them on and talk about the comfort and the audio quality. The Stuffcool's BAC earphones have an ergonomic design and feel quite comfortable for long time usage. The noise isolation is also good. Talking about the audio quality was very good for the price. Like seriously, I was pretty impressed by what these earphones were offering for the price point. The 9mm drivers on them were definitely doing a good job. The mids were crisp and clear and the vocals also sounded warm and mellow. The high frequency response was also nice, it was producing smooth treble. And coming to the bass was also nice and punchy. It was not too overwhelming but had the right amount of bass. On the overall, for the price what you're paying, you'll definitely be satisfied with them. The distortion was also minimum up to 90% volume level and the audio output was also loud and satisfactory. I've told you at the beginning that these earphones also have a microphone, right? The mic quality was decent and felt good during call conversations. So that was my review on these new budget earphones from Stuffcool. They're very good earphones for the price. The design is nice, the build quality is premium, they're entirely made of metal, and we're offering really good quality sound for the price. Plus on top of that, they also have a mic and an inline remote control. The Stuffcool BAC Earphones cost only around 699 rupees. I'll just leave a link to them in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that was my video on both of these new products from Stuffcool. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.